In collaboration with China Unicom Guangdong, Midea verified Huawei's 5G indoor positioning in its kitchen and water heater appliance division in Shandor. The precision was 1 meter at 90% in the warehouses of finished products, enabling the real-time location management services required for smart warehouse logistics. Through the 5G CPE, clamp trucks report their locations in real time. After a finished product arrives in the pallet area, the scanner identifies and logs its information into the WMS. The WMS then sends the stacking task to a clamp truck, and the front sensor on the truck detects that the product is lifted, and reports its real-time location to the WMS as it moves. After the product arrives at its destination, the front sensor detects that the product is unloaded, and the truck reports the destination to the WMS, completing the stocking into the warehouse. Thanks to the 1 meter positioning delivered by 5G, the time required to locate goods is down by 80%. Warehouse labor efficiency is improved by 21%, and loading efficiency has gone up by 55%. 5G gives us full awareness over our logistics, with smart, visible management across the entire process. Thanks to 5G to be one cloud full network architecture, 5G positioning will quickly expand to other media factories. As macro logistics and small-scale production as well as factory logistics centralization continue to trend and gain broad recognition and practice in the manufacturing space, logistics has become the core of smart factories looking to seek value chain operations. This requires locating people, machines, and materials in almost all processes of factory logistics. However, such requirements are not sufficiently addressed owing to the lack of efficient real-time tracking, hampering optimization. 5G meets our requirements both for positioning and connectivity, offering a new direction to address this long-standing challenge.